Lots being discussed about the Mithila painting which is there on the finance minister's sari today. It's high on symbolism. This is the sari which was gifted to her by Dulari Devi, who is a Padma Shri awardee. And the finance minister had met her when she had traveled to Mithila in Bihar in the month of December. So certainly high on symbolism again. It's an important state. It's the state of the alliance partner, the JDU.
Well, that's the messaging, and also, to showcase how India's tradition and India's culture is being highlighted. Of course, a gift to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman by Durali Devi, and she's wearing that very sari, and will be presenting. Of course, we have seen in the last few years as well how there have been different cultures which had been projected by the government at different important occasions as well. And this time, it is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman wearing that sari from Bihar. Specific message to, of course, the state where the alliance member is, of course, JDU has 16 MPs, and will there be some, gifts or some important announcements regarding states like Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and the other important states where the alliance partners are, is something that would be very interesting to see. But whether it would be also Delhi which will receive, because remember, already politics played out over Arvind Kejriwal's letter to the CEC that there should be no specific announcement regarding the national capital. But of course, as it has been mentioned by Prime Minister, that there would be, of course, a women-centric focus that would be on as far as this budget is concerned. So that will always give benefits to those women living just not in national capital but also around the country as well. A lot of expectation, and therefore the reason now we have been told as well, the latest update coming in, Home Minister of our country Amit Shah also now reaching the Parliament. Prime Minister already reached, and very soon the cabinet will be starting to give approval for the finance bill.